In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text on Google Keep in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're organizing notes for work, school, or just for personal use, the ability to emphasize certain information can make a world of difference in managing your thoughts and tasks. While Google Keep is a fantastic tool for jotting down your ideas, it doesn't natively support underlining text. However, don't worry, I've got a workaround that will get you there with just a few simple steps. To start, open up your preferred browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small square made up of dots. Click on that icon, and it will open up a menu with various Google services. From this menu, look for Google Keep. It might be nestled among other tools like Docs and Calendar. Once found, give that Keep icon a click. With Google Keep now open, you'll see a list of your notes. Select the specific note you'd like to work with. This could be an ongoing project note or a simple grocery list. Once you've picked the note, the next step is to open and select the text you want to underline. After selecting the text, go ahead and copy it. Now it's time for a little detour. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Underline Text by Yatext. Yatext is a helpful online tool that can transform your text into various formats, including Underline. Head over to the Yatext website. Once you're there, you'll see a text box where you can paste the text you copied from your Google Keep note. Just paste it right in and you'll see different options for text styling appear. Choose the one with the underline format and then click the copy button right beside it. Now that you have your underlined text copied, return to the Google Keep tab, simply click where you want to paste the underlined text in your note and paste it right there, and there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully underlined text in Google Keep. While this method involves a few extra clicks, it seamlessly integrates with your normal workflow in Google Keep, making your notes more organized and visually impactful. It's a simple trick that you can use anytime to make sure the most important parts of your notes don't get lost in the shuffle. Thanks for watching and happy note taking.